So if you're looking for means to build your own PowerMTA SMTP, so you can be able to send bulk emails, maybe for personal or for businesses. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to build your own PowerMTA on Ubuntu server. So before we watch this full video, basically what you need is the PowerMTA script, the license, the command to run it successfully, your VPS hosting and domain, and the tools to access your server. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to do that. So if you want to get access to the PowerMTA script, the license, the command, you can just click the link under this video to get the full access. So if you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button, like and comment. So let me show you how to do that. Now, so welcome back. So for us to get started, you have to get your hosting and your domain. So for you to get your hosting, just go to ovh.com. Then for your domain, you can use any domain registrar, but if you don't know any domain registrar, you can just use native.com. So you can just buy a domain, you can get it .com.org, either of the two, just register it. Then after your domain is active, then you can get your VPS hosting as well. So after you get in that, then click on search for Putting client. Download your Putting client. So just download it and install. So after I've installed it, search for WinSCP. These are two software we are going to use to run our server, run our PowerMTA for it to be successfully installed. So just go to your official site. Then download the WinSCP and install it on your system as well. So let's go back to our hosting. So after go to OVH, then switch here to Duode, so they can charge you in dollar. Then after that, come to PowerMTA VPS, come to your VPS option, choose VPS. Choose without committed order now. Then choose distribution only, then choose Ubuntu 2204, then you can check out and make payment and check out. So within a few minutes or few hours, they're going to send you your credentials. So it's going to look something like this. The credential is going to look something like this. Sorry, want to check. So it's going to look something like this. So the next thing for us is just to the next thing now, after getting all this, the next thing for you is to get all your PowerMTA script license and command that you're going to use to run it. So just click the link to get your PowerMTA script license so you can use it to run your build it to your SMTP server. So now let me open my router. So let's go back. Copy our IP, paste it, accept. Enter username is going to be Ubuntu. Password, so just click on the link they sent with your credential. Copy the password, right click, then enter. So enter your current password, enter your current password again, enter a new password, enter your new password again, So open your putting client again. Then enter your IP address. To enter your password, you change to. Then you have logged in. Then the next thing for us is to change this Ubuntu to root access, so for us to be able to upload to our server. So this is a command we are going to use. So run this first command. Right click, hit enter your new password. Enter your new password again. Copy the command. Then copy the next command. Then enter your password. Can you see it has changed to root now? Then let's reboot. Then hey, so now let's restart it again. So login as now we are not going to be using Ubuntu, we are going to be using root. Enter our password. So we have successfully logged in. So now let's open up with SCP, win SCP, so we can put our PowerMTA. So this is not the script here. Okay, login. Let's copy our IP right now. So this is the PowerMTA script. Copy and let's paste it here. So it's going to be going now, so we can go to our putty client back. So the next thing for us to change our host name. So this is the command to change our host name. So if we check our previous host name, let's change host name. Can you see this is our previous host name? So we have to change it. This is the command. So this is the domain I'm using. So I'm installing it on a subdomain. If you want to install it on the main domain, you can just save it like this. But I'm installing it on a subdomain. So I'm going to be hey main.my domain. Then the next thing for me is to create a record. Let me refresh this page. So for me to create a record, so everything I'm going to need is already here soon. If I just a beginner, I'm not set everything up. So this complete tutorial is going to help you to buy your domain, your hosting, to install PowerMTA, to configure your DKIM, DMARC, everything is going to be in the tutorial, and you're also going to get a PowerMTA script and a license as well. So just create an a record. So mail and paste my IP here, then click on save. So I've already have it here already. So this is IP soon. I can just copy the command. Hit enter. Let's check our host name again. Can you see it has changed? So the next thing to update our server, another command. So let's do the upgrade. The next thing is to install all the dependencies the PowerMTA script is going to use for it to run properly. Copy the command, hit enter. So done. So let's wait, maybe our PowerMTA have uploaded, so it's not done uploading. So I'm going to pause this video. So it's done uploading. So let's go back to our potent. So let's run the command to install it. So PowerMTA is successfully installed right now. So the next thing for us to upload our license, everything we need. So for everything to work, your DKIM, DMARC, upload your license, configure everything is under this video tutorial. It's inside this video tutorial. So just click the link to get complete guide your license script. It's just if even you're getting everything at almost discount price. So the next thing for us to upload our PowerMTA license. Let's copy out. So let's do our configuration. So in the full video tutorial, I'm going to learn how to do your configuration. So all the configuration is done. So let's check it out. This everything is okay. You have to receive. We know if everything is not okay, you're going to receive error. So let's copy our command. Let me see. So if we are building your previous PowerMTA maybe on CentOS, then you're going to receive okay, but on Ubuntu, some guys it has show you nice command that show you success. As we bring red option, that means we have error with PowerMTA. In this option, everything is working perfectly right now. So then we can go ahead to test our SMTP. So just go to our website, refresh this. So next thing we have to get our host name, username, password, ports, encryption, so to get your hosting can either be your IP address or your host name, which is username. Go back to your file. So this is your username admin and this is your password. So let's go back to test our SMTP. So let's paste our password. And name it, change it to a street support. So I'm going to send this test email to this email address. So may send successfully. Let's back to our email. So that's delivered with our IP address. So congrats, you can start using your SMTP. Send your bulk emails.
So let's try and use this house name to send as well. Message successfully as well. So you can see that's a drop as well. So you can use the IP or your host name to do your host name anywhere you feel like using. So to get the full course, the PowerMTA script, the license, how to configure everything, you can just click the link under this video tutorial. It's just a one-time payment. Then if you want to chat us on our WhatsApp or Telegram, you can use any of this option to chat us on our WhatsApp or Telegram. So if you want to buy leads that you want to promote your product or service to, you can just go to atjleads.com. On this particular website, you can get any lead you want. So if you find this video useful, click on the subscribe button, like, and comment. Thank you.